Hi guys! Welcome to Best Friend's Kitchen! If you are new to our channel, please subscribe so you will get updated for our future videos. Today, we're going to show you how to make avocado cheesecake. Ito nga pala yung mga ingredients for this recipe. Tara, simulan na natin! Una, gagawin muna natin ang crust. Sa isang mixing bowl, ipag-combine nyo lang yung crushed grahams at ang melted butter at i-mix nyo ito hanggang maging well incorporated. Pagkatapos, i-transfer nyo lang ito sa isang baking pan. By the way, we use round baking pan with 8 inches diameter sa recipe nito. I-press nyo lang yung crust at i-distribute ito evenly sa pan. After that, i-set aside nyo muna ito. By the way guys, if you still haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Just click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Ngayon, i-prepare naman natin yung cream cheese toppings. Una, tanggalin nyo lang yung balat at ang buto ng avocado. Ilagay nyo lang yung avocado meat at ang condensed milk sa isang food processor or blender at i-pulse nyo ito hanggang maging completely smooth. After that, i-transfer nyo lang ito sa isang mixing bowl. Tapos, i-add nyo na yung cream cheese at ang lemon juice. Gamit ang isang hand mixer, i-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa maging well incorporated. Make sure na maging smooth ito at walang lumps. By the way guys, naglagay nga pala kami ng kaunting green food coloring para maging vibrant yung color. Pero, optional lamang ito. Sa isang separate bowl, mag-whip lang tayo ng all-purpose cream hanggang sa maging stiff cake. Once done, iset aside nyo muna ito. Sa isang ramekin bowl, mag-combine lang tayo ng gelatin powder at ng water. I-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa ma-dissolve ang gelatin powder. Mag-add lang kayo ng kaunting cheesecake mixture sa dissolved gelatin at i-mix nyo lang ito hanggang sa maging well combined. After that, ibuhos nyo lang ito ulit pabalik sa cream cheese mixture at i-mix nyo ito hanggang sa maging well combined. Then, i-fold nyo lang gradually yung whipped cream natin sa cream cheese mixture. And lastly, i-add nyo na yung vanilla extract and give it a final mix. Ibuhos nyo lang yung cream cheese mixture natin sa ibabaw ng crust. at distribute nyo ito evenly. Then, ilagay nyo lang ito sa freezer for overnight. After being in the freezer for overnight, our avocado cheesecake is now ready. Pwede rin kayo maglagay ng sliced avocado sa ibabaw. We hope that you enjoyed this video and please give us a thumbs up. You can also comment down below if you want to request recipes that we can feature on our next vlogs. Paki-share na rin ang video ito para everybody happy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, till our next vlog.